Hey guys, good morning to all of you. Welcome back to this channel. Good morning to all of you. So guys, today in this video, I will share with you a special information, and it's a good opportunity to move Germany. It's a European country. I hope you all know that. So I would like to share you the important information so that if you can proceed for this, then you can move Germany and you can settle there with this process. So let's start and discuss what is the process. So this is a free training program in Germany. This is a golden opportunity to move European country. So this is a urgently required for Germany trainees for job training. So this is a good opportunity. You can move, you can get a training, then you can get easily job with professional and with a good salary. So let's focus what is the trades they are required to training, and of course you will get a good opportunity after you complete the training. So the trade is masons, mechatronics, and road builders, metal workers, process mechanics, electronics technicians, warehouse logistics. So specific for these trades, if you want to move Germany with for this training, of course you will get a good career in Germany as a European country. So this is a high economically strong country. So I would like to suggest you please proceed. If you are already completed in this related certifications, then go and get a train, and you can join there and work there, and you can get good salary. So let's forward what is the process. Once the job training is completed, they will be getting salary ranging from euro 32,000 to 44,000 per annum. Depending upon their trade, the average salary will be euro 37,800 per annum. The age limit between 18 years to 25 years. Food allowance paid and free accommodations provided. This is a training program, is totally free, including journey air ticket. This program is only for candidates who are holding German language B1 or B2 level certificates. Interested candidates can send their CV with required documents via email. So as you can see here, this is a good chance because of once you getting the training completion certificates, they will offer you a good salary, and of course they will get you a job so that you can get a good salary, and your age limit should be 18 to 25 years minimum, and food allowance and accommodations will be provided by the company. This training program is totally free, including joining at. This is very important. You can go Germany, you can get a training, and it's completely free of cost. So this is a good chance for you. This program is only for candidates who are holding German language B1 or B2. This is very important, guys. If you want to move a country, of course the language should be aware of this. So if you are not aware, how we can understand, how you can survive there. So this is the very important point. If you are already Germany and you have completed the B1 B2 language certificates, or if you are in your home country, for example, if you are now in India and you have completed B1 B2 German language certifications, of course you can apply as soon as possible, no doubt. So my suggestion will be, you, if you are completed by the B1 B2 language certificates, apply right now. If you are not completed, of course it will take time, 2 to 3 months, so that you can complete it. The next chance you can attend. So interested candidates send their CV, and this is the official address in Mumbai, and I would like to suggest you please visit to the office, keep contact with them, complete your course, again complete contact with the office, and again ask about the next requirements so that you can get a good career in Germany. So first of all, I would like to suggest you, this is very important information. This is a good proper way with good chance to move European country. So first of all, I would like to tell you, this is the urgent vacancies. If you have already completed with B1 B2 language certificates, apply right now. If you are not completed, keep touching with this office and try to complete your B1 B2 language. Then you can get a good career in Germany. So guys, I hope you understand all the things. Still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. So guys, first of all, I'd like to suggest you please share this information who already have completed their B1 B2 language certificates and they have a dream to move European country, so that this opportunity will be good opportunity for them. So guys, I would like to suggest you don't miss this chance. This is a good opportunity from European country Germany, and this is a fully professional trending job. If you can move there, you can get a proper trend. Then you will get a good career in the Germany with a high professional jobs, and you can get a good salary. You can build your career in this country. So all these informations are available in the descriptions below this video. So collect all the things and collect all the informations, including email ID, official address, everything, so that you can keep contact with the office and you can ask them, you can verify them about the process. And I hope you apply as soon as possible. If you are interested to apply, or if you are interested to get a training regarding these trades with B1 B2 language complete certificates. So I hope you understand all the things. Still, if you have any question, freely ask me in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. Again, I would like to suggest to share this information as much as possible. Who want to move European country with a good opportunity, share them and suggest them to apply as soon as possible. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I'll try to come with a new job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. Check each and every videos in this channel. Apply just up and collect the all informations from the descriptions and apply as soon as possible. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I'll come and we'll discuss. Up to that, best of luck. Thank you.